Billionaire Cyrus Mistry's death in a road accident in September shocked the entire country. The 54-year-old who was sitting in the rear seat was not wearing the seat belt, a safety feature that could well have saved his life. 2 months later, in many cities like Delhi, the police have cracked the whip.
आपने सीट बेल्ट क्यों नहीं लगवा रखी? पीछे बैठे हैं भैया जो गवर्नमेंट इतनी जागरूक कर रही है, पीछे बैठने वाली सवारी को भी सीट बेल्ट लगानी अनिवार्य है, आप क्यों नहीं बोलते इनके लिए?
According to Section 194B of the Motor Vehicle Act, seat belts are a must for all seats in a four-wheeler. But many remain either ignorant of the law that mandates the use of rear belt or defy it.
If I am sitting behind, I am a doctor and we wear seat belt. I make people aware also. In fact, I have a cover there. Behind that it was covered earlier. Usually I go and my driver drives, so it is very slow process. You know, in the city I don't run beyond 50. But what I do is that I always put it there outside once I am going, and I ask my driver not to drive it like that.
Ever since the tragic accident of Cyrus Mistry, the traffic polices across the country, including Delhi Traffic Police, has started to make people aware that seat belt is a must even if you are sitting in the rear seat of your car. In fact, Delhi Police had started a special campaign in the mid of September, and within the month of September, the Delhi Traffic Police had challaned more than 100 people for violating the rear seat belt law.
The Delhi Traffic Police first launched a special campaign to spread awareness about seat belts in the middle of September.
गवर्नमेंट इतनी जागरूक है, आप पीछे सीट बेल्ट क्यों नहीं लगवाते जब आप सवारी को बैठाते हो? और एक बंदे को आगे बैठाना था, आपने सामान रख रखा, उसको डिग्गी में रखना चाहिए था आपको। गलती मत करो, महंगे चलान है।
More than 100 people were fined then. The latest drive will hopefully lead to higher compliance. With Amit Bharadwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.